Are you trying to decide between Eventbrite and Meetup? You are not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular platforms for organizing events. Both Eventbrite and Meetup help you create and manage events. They connect people with similar interests, but how do they differ? Let's start with Eventbrite. This tool is great for ticketed events. You can easily set up paid events and manage registrations. It's user friendly and offers various features like event promotion and analytics. If you want to sell tickets, this is a solid choice. Now, let's look at Meetup. This platform focuses more on building communities. It's perfect for groups that meet regularly. You can create events for hobbies, networking, or socializing. Meetup is all about bringing people together based on shared interest. So, what are the key differences? Eventbrite is more about ticketing and event management. It's ideal for one time events. On the other hand, Meetup is geared towards ongoing community engagement. It's better for regular gatherings. When it comes to features, Eventbrite offers tools for ticket sales, event promotion, and detailed analytics. Meetup provides group management, messaging, and easier ways to connect with members. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Now, let's talk pricing. Eventbrite usually charges fees for ticket sales, while Meetup has a subscription model for group organizers. Think about what fits your budget. In the end, if you are planning a ticketed event, go with Eventbrite. But if you want to build a community around a shared interest, Meetup is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.